how to deposit. So I'm going to make this short video for all of us to know how to deposit. Now this is my virtual account. From your virtual account, you have to go to the account you want to use to deposit. For now, we'll be using Bitcoin account. Okay, so if you want to have a Bitcoin account, you will go to account list. Okay, when you get to account list, you will see the place here that you create account. You can see you have created all accounts available to you. You will see your own space to click on create account. Now when you're not click on create account, you will pick on Bitcoin. You will pick on Bitcoin. So once you pick on Bitcoin, you can see I have virtual, I have USD, I have Bitcoin. Now when I want to deposit on Bitcoin, I will just click on Bitcoin account. How you are getting it. After this, if you have any question, you can ask. Now once you click on Bitcoin account, you will change this. No, I'm not supposed to bring this here. Okay, it's asking me to create another account. I already have account there, so come on, don't bring me here. Now once you click on Bitcoin, then you now go to cashier. Once you click on cashier, you click on deposit. So this is the address that you're going to deposit at. So you click on this address. You would copy the address. I hope you're getting it. You copy the address. Then you now go to your wallet. Now for those who do not have a wallet already, I'm using Remitano. You can support my business. This is the Remitano link. Okay, if you I will drop this link as well too. If you copy this link and you register through this link, it will just give you some little change on referral. So you use this Remitano to buy and sell your Bitcoin. So once you register here, you will have something like this. Okay, you have something like this. Now let me go to my dashboard. Okay, now this is coming to my profile. I'm now asking to come to my profile now. Go to my main dashboard now. Come on. Where are you bringing? Okay, now this is my dashboard. Now when you come to your dashboard, these are the prices of Bitcoin. No, this is my own. I'm shaking it on me now. You're not supposed to bring me. Okay, home. Okay, now when you register and you log in, I'll tell us how to register also now. When you register and you log in, this is where it's going to bring us to. This is where it's going to bring you to. You will see different prices of Bitcoin there. 355, 356, 356. This is where you can buy Bitcoin. Now if I want to buy from this guy, I will just click on his advertisement. No, don't bring this out. Okay, now once I click here now, you will see the details here. Excuse me. Now this one is asking me if I want the money to reflect on my Remitano account. You can see at the top here we have balance, balance BTC, we have balance NGN, that is balance Naira. So when you deposit, you put the money on your Remitano account. I can guarantee you Remitano is 100% secure and safe for both your Naira and your Bitcoin. So if you don't have money here, you cannot buy. You have to have money here to buy. So if you are using your Remitano account to buy the Bitcoin, you buy it straight. But if you don't want to use your Remitano account, the wallet you created, that means you copied from your Bitcoin, you come here and place it here. You click on we have here personal BTC wallet, Remitano wallet. You click on personal BTC wallet. You now place the BTC address that you copied. You place it here and you now click on buy. When you click on buy, it will give you 15 minutes. Is it 15 or 30 minutes for you to make the payment of whatever amount of Bitcoin you want to buy? Let me put 0.005. Okay, that's like $41, and that $41 is like 15,247. And this is the exact amount you are going to pay to the person in Naira. I hope you're getting it. This is the amount you're going to pay in Naira. So once you pay the money to this account, I'm telling you, within 15 minutes, the thing will be cleared, as in 100% secure. So the next thing is that once you pay, the Bitcoin will be reflected in your Remitano, in your binary account. Now if you want to withdraw from your binary to this place, because it will be easy for you to sell from here, just go to your account, your profile. You should be able to check. I think where do I get my? Okay, let's go back to home. BTC balance. They've really changed their stuff. Okay, my wallet. Yes, go to my wallet now. You will see Bitcoin. You will see deposit. Click on deposit. So this is the one you copy. Your own, not my own. No, you copy this one. If you copy it, you will go to your Bitcoin. If you need me to make this video again and where you want me to make, you can specify and I will do it. You put it here. You put it here so that when you want to withdraw, go to cashier again. You click on withdraw. Please check your email for you have to verify, and then once you verify, you put your Bitcoin wallet that you created on Remitano there. So once they send the Bitcoin, to reflect on your Remitano account. Once it reflects on your Remitano account, you will see it at the top here. You will see it at the top here. So from here you can now sell. If you want to sell, just go straight to, where did we go now? Your dashboard. Is it wallet? No, go to your profile. Go to your profile. Go to your profile. From your profile, you no, sorry guys. Okay, yeah. From your profile, you go from dashboard, you go to P2P exchange. Then here you will now create an advertisement. You create an advertisement. You create ad. In the ad, you place your account number, the amount of Bitcoin you want to sell, and everything. You place it there, and within few minutes you see somebody that will buy it. If your price is not too much, because if you check the home page, you will see prices of people there. You will see prices of people there. This one is selling at 355, 356. Okay, you can see this one is buying at 353. You can sell directly to this guy if you don't want to waste time. You can sell directly to this guy, and this guy already has money in this amount of money is already on the Remitano account. It's already there. I get me now. This money is already on the Remitano account. The moment you sell to him, the Remitano will release the money here. It will reflect on your balance NG. So from there now, you can then withdraw it by going to your wallet. You can then withdraw it. You can see that you can withdraw Naira, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash. You can withdraw all those things. I know this video is very, very long, 8 minutes. Okay, so if you have any question, please be specific, and I'll try as much as possible to make another video to answer that. Thank you all.